Hey champions! Welcome to Just My Edu. Ready to test your brain with some fun and tricky social studies question? We'll give you 4 options. You'll get a few seconds to guess. Then we'll reveal the right answer. Let's start this interactive challenge and don't forget to tally your scores. Welcome to the world of history. Let's see how much you know. Are you ready to travel back in time? Let's begin. Who was the first president of the United States? A. John Adams. B. Thomas Jefferson. C. George Washington. D. Abraham Lincoln. The answer is George Washington. He became president in 1789 and served 2 terms. In which year did India become independent? A. 1947. B. 1950. C. 1930. D. 1965. The answer is 1947. So, August 15th is celebrated as Independence Day. Who is the father of Indian Constitution? A. Rajendra Prasad. B. Gandhi. D. Ambedkar. C. Sardar Patel. He chaired the drafting committee of the Constitution. Which ancient civilization built the pyramids? A. Mesopotamians. B. Romans. C. Mayans. D. Egyptians. The answer is Egyptians. The pyramids of Giza are over 4,000 years old. Who led the Salt March in 1930? A. Subhash Chandra Bose. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Nehru. D. Gandhi. Answer is Gandhi. The Dandi March was a key part of the freedom struggle. Which war ended slavery in the USA? A. American Civil War. B. World War I. C. Cold War. D. Vietnam War. The answer is the American Civil War. Slavery was abolished in 1865. Who was the last Mughal emperor? A. Akbar. B. Aurangzeb. C. Bahadur Shah Zafar. D. Humayun. The answer is Bahadur Shah Zafar. He ruled during the 1857 revolt. Which empire did Ashoka rule? A. Gupta. B. Maurya. C. Mughal. D. Chola. The answer is the Mauryan Empire. Ashoka spread Buddhism after the Kalinga War. When did World War II end? A. 1939. B. 1945. C. 1947. D. 1950. The answer is 1945. It ended after the atomic bombings of Japan. Who discovered America in 1492? A. Vasco da Gama. B. Christopher Columbus. C. Ferdinand Magellan. D. James Cook. The answer is Christopher Columbus. He landed in the Bahamas thinking it was Asia. Welcome to the world of geography. Let's explore the planet we call home. Are you ready for a global adventure? Let's go! How many continents are there? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. The answer is 7 continents. Asia, Africa, Europe, North and South America, Australia and Antarctica. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney. B. Melbourne. C. Perth. D. Canberra. The answer is Canberra. It is the political capital. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon. B. Yangtze. C. Nile. D. Mississippi. The answer is the Nile. It flows through northeastern Africa. Which country has the most population as of 2025? A. China. B. India. C. USA. D. Indonesia. The answer is India. India overtook China in 2023. What is the capital of Japan? A. Kyoto. B. Osaka. C. Tokyo. D. Hiroshima. The answer is Tokyo, one of the most populated cities in the world. Which is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco, B. Maldives, C. Vatican City, D. San Marino. The answer is the Vatican City is just 0.49 square kilometers. Which line divides the Earth into north and south? A. Prime Meridian, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. Equator, D. Arctic Circle. The answer is the equator. It's the 0-degree latitude line. Which ocean is the largest? A. Atlantic, B. Indian, C. Arctic, D. Pacific. The answer is the Pacific Ocean. It covers more area than all land combined. Where is the Sahara Desert located? A. Asia, B. Australia, C. North America, D. Africa. Answer is Africa. It is the largest hot desert in the world. Where is Mount Everest located? A. India, B. China, C. Nepal, D. Bhutan. The answer is Nepal. It lies in the Himalayas on the Nepal-China border. Welcome to Civics and Economics. This is where smart citizens and future leaders begin. Ready to power up your knowledge? Let's dive in. What is democracy? A. Rule by king, B. Rule by army, C. Rule by one person, D. Rule by the people. The answer is rule by the people. Citizens have the power to choose leaders here. How many houses are in the parliament? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. 4. The answer is 2. There are the two houses, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. Who is the head of a state in India? A. Governor, B. President, C. Chief Minister, D. Mayor. The answer is the Chief Minister. The government is the constitutional head and CM is the executive head. What is the main source of government income? A. Donations, B. Foreign aid, C. Tax, D. Lottery. The answer is tax. It includes GST, income tax, etc. Which is India's currency? A. Dollar, B. Rupee, C. Peso, D. Yen. Answer is rupee. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. What is Panchayati Raj? A. Urban government, B. Judiciary, C. Village government, D. Parliament. The answer is the village government. It is a local self-government system. Who is the current president of India as in 2025? A. Ramnath Kovind, B. Draupadi Murmu, C. Pratibha Patil, D. APJ Abdul Kalam. She is the first tribal woman president in India. What is the preamble? A. Last page of a book, B. Prime Minister's speech, C. Intro to Constitution, D. Election report. The answer is the Intro to Constitution. It starts with "We, the people of India." What are fundamental rights? A. Traffic rules, B. Moral duties, C. Basic citizen rights, D. Laws for police. The answer is the basic citizen rights like right to equality, right to freedom, etc. What does GDP stand for? A. Gross data product, B. General duty profile, C. Gross domestic product, D. Government distribution plan. The answer is gross domestic product. It is the total value of goods or services a country provides. Yay! It's a wrap, people, and time to tally your scores. How many did you get right? 27 to 30? Amazing. You're a master of facts and history. 21 to 26? Well done. You know your stuff. Keep it up. 11 to 20? You're picking up speed. Stay curious and explore more. 0 to 10? You're just getting started. Great effort. Keep learning. Count your score, check your title, and type it in the comments. No matter your score, every step is progress. You're doing awesome. Hey, no worries. Every master was once a beginner. Go back and try again. Learning is a journey and you're on the right path. Enjoy the quiz? Then don't stop here. Smash that like button. Subscribe to Just My Edu and join a growing community of curious, confident learners. And hey, don't keep the fun to yourself. Share this quiz with your friends, classmates, and start a challenge. Comment below your score and what kind of quiz you'd like to see. English, math, etc. You name it, we make. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Just My Edu.